Hi friends, this is me Rianda and I am doing my FDM from Institute of Apparel Management and I'm in my last semester. I'll be completing in a month and this is my internship project that I have undertaken, and it is a self-internship on entrepreneurship. And I have become an entrepreneur for designer boxes, and my brand name is Riantas. So these are some of the boxes that I have made. As you can see, these are handmade boxes, and I have implemented a lot of different designs and silhouettes and shapes and figures in order to cater the youth, to cater the uh, marriage occasions and for different purposes, not just marriages, for baby showers and for parties and for different occasions like anniversaries and all. Okay, so my inspiration came from when I started working with my designer. In my earlier internship, I had to work for his packaging. So it was a very basic stuff that I had to do. But eventually, I ended up making some really nice designs, and people started encouraging me for the designs. They started liking it. People started, they wanted to buy it. They wanted me to make more sturdy boxes. So my main focus then became making some really nice designs and studying them. So I started with this idea then and there, and I loved it. I was very passionate about it, and eventually I started ending up with my brand. So some of the boxes that are here, I would tell you about them. This is the couple box. This was the first box that I came up with the Valentine's theme. I started with during the Valentine's time. So I made some Valentine's boxes. So this was one of the hit ones. This is the tuxedo box, and this is the wedding dress box. So as you can see, they really complement, and this is how the box opens, and you can put all your charms and chocolates and whatever you like. And so this is for all the men out there. This is for the girls who really want to, they complement each other. So this is the box. Then the second box is again the his and her box. So this is like the yin and yang. The blue represents the guys and the pink represents the girls. So I try to give that look of his and her, since we've always seen his and her in pillows and in bed sheets and so many places, mobile covers. Now you have his and her boxes as well. Okay. Then I had this wedding theme, very contemporary box. It's a very different figured, differently shaped box, which is not the usual, square box or something. It has a very different design. People loved it. It was one of the best sellings, and it is a very simple box but very elegant for wedding purposes or any, since we have that golden lace in it. Next is the suit up box, for all the metrosexual men and people who love to dress up, guys who love to dress up. It's for them. It has the white shirt with the red bow tie and buttons in it. It's similar to the tuxedo box. So we have all shapes and sizes and colors of it. Okay. Next is the hexagonal box. It's a big box. It opens, these flaps open, and inside you can put a lot of things. You can put your scarf, you can gift candles in it. There's so many things that you can gift. Whatever you want to gift, you can just put it in this box, since it also has a lot of capacity. So dry fruits and stuff, so many things. and it is also embossed. The paper used in it is embossed, so you have that traditional as well as that western look, so it gives the contemporary feel. Next is the very ethnic, yet the paper that I have used is very western, so it is again an amalgamation of Indian and western box. So, and I love the way it opens. It is like an explosion box. It's like whatever you put in it, it'll open automatically, and it is uh, it is very nicely designed. It's for, you can put your cupcakes and you can put your candles in it. So when you open it, your emphasis is on the gift. The next is the pyramid shaped box. It is again one of the best sellers. People loved because of its shape and because of its simplicity. So this we open from the between, and then again all the four corners of it open, and whatever is placed inside is showcased. Then we have the big, wedding sorts hexagonal box, which has a feather in it, and the lace that I have used, I have punched it myself, and it gives a very beautiful neon look to it. So people love it. It has the orange and yellow color in it. So it is a huge box. You can put all your, one of my client is going to put all her cosmetics in it. She has to gift it to her Barbie, so it's for that purpose. So basically, we customize for all kinds of occasion, for all kinds of events, whether it be any kind of party. So we cater to every theme that is there in the universe, basically.